This is a video for those who like small industrial locomotives, particularly narrow gauge ones. In August 1997, I photographed the last rail operations within the island of Newfoundland. This was the Newfoundland Hardwoods tracks in Clarenville. Like all tracks before it, these were gauged to 3 feet 6 inches. On this day in 1997, Sam 80 was at the controls of this vintage Plymouth locomotive. In the summer of 2010, I again visited Clarenville. Newfoundland Hardwoods no longer used trackage, but a group of volunteers saved their 2 Plymouth locomotives for preservation. One was my friend Steve Bonnell, seen in this video. It was a treat to visit him and to see a vintage Plymouth in action. The 2 Plymouths had been brought to the island by the United States Navy during World War II for use in the U.S. Navy base at Argentina. After the war, they were disposed of into private use. By today's technology standards, the video from 2010 is a bit jerky, but I hope you enjoy this blast from the past and the sounds of an old chain-driven industrial engine. Get down here. No. Can I have that? Okay, Steve, you turn the key. Choke down a minute. You're like a big kid with a toy. There's people out there taking pictures, love. Bit of smoke out there, what?
It's like an Elko, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fuel tank there. This is low gear, right? So, low gear.
So that's the train brake?
Yes, it is, yeah.
We're moving. What? Woo! Marie had more fun climbing the ladder of the old caboose. This video was made for Sam 80, Steve, and my cousin Roxanne, who grew up beside the Newfoundland Hardwoods operation.